Well, the rumors are true. Jorge Martin, the defending MotoGP champion, who switched from Ducati to Aprilia this year, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong on this, has done 24 laps on the bike after multiple crashes. Well, the rumors are true. He is exercising a clause in his contract, and he will not be with the team next year. Going on social media today, saying, quote, "Hello everyone, I would like to share with all the fans, media, and people who follow my career a clear explanation about my situation with Aprilia. At no time have I ever breached the contract. When we signed it, I agreed with Aprilia that if certain circumstances were not met, I reserved the right to decide my future for 2026. This is an essential condition for me to accept the contract proposal they offered me at the time. When I made the decision to change manufacturers last year, one of the premises was to have the possibility to test the bike in real circumstances and to understand the team and its working methodology. In this way, I could feel comfortable signing for 2 years instead of 1, and so we included that condition. Faced with the situation of having to make a decision on a date that is established by contract, I have decided to exercise my right to release myself for the 2026 season. I have always done so respectively, clearly, and with the sole intention of taking control of my future as a professional athlete. Unfortunately, the circumstances that have occurred as a result of the crashes, although it is true that they do not affect what we agreed, have conditioned this phase. This is why I have always been open in dialogue with Aprilia to extend this period to a certain number of Grand Prix after my return to competition. The aim is that both parties can give each other a second chance and feel comfortable before making a decision for 2026. I've always been honest with Aprilia. I've always valued the bike, the team, and the effort of all the people who are part of the project. The only thing I ask is that my will and the spirit of what we agreed at the time with Aprilia will be respected. There is no conflict or reproach. I just want to be able to look ahead with clarity after very difficult times and a very serious injury, and to continue to give the best of myself on and off the track, blah, 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 blah." Now, obviously, this is not the first team he's done this with. He exercised a clause with KTM to leave them to go to Pramac, and, well, now there's 2 out of the 3 OEM manufacturers for MotoGP that he's burned bridges with. I highly doubt he's going to go back to KTM. Obviously, Ducati, the factory team, is going to have a full roster if they fill it up with the both Marquez brothers. And I guess that kind of leaves Yamaha, or who knows what's going on there. But it's just a weird thing to... The rumor's been going on around for a while, and I mean, he literally has done 24 laps, I think, like a couple races, got injured for most of the time, and it's so insane to me that he's, like, what conditions could have been met? If you've crashed twice, you've barely ever rode, how do you even know what that bike is? But I don't know, this is a big one. Obviously, being a defending champion, he is a big name at the moment. Just going to be... Where is he going to fall in 2026 now? What team, what manufacturer is going to want to bring him on? Who knows? So I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Where is he going? Are you excited for next year? Are you liking the MotoGP calendar so far? Obviously with the Marquez domination, Ducati domination, whatever you want to call it. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.